Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Now today, we're going to be putting some aftermarket headlights in the Passat. Now these right here are the LED sequential headlights from Vland. I've heard nothing but good things about these. I could not find the original aftermarket headlights that I had in my original Passat, so this is what we're going to be going with for today. Now I'm pretty sure that these are just plug and play, so this should be a fairly simple installation. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is we have to unbolt all of these bolts and screws all along here. We do have to take the grill out because there is a bolt that is like inside underneath the grill, and then once we have that out, we can just swap the headlights. Like I said, it should be plug and play, and then we should be good to go. Alright, so I have this headlight mounting plate off. You want to make sure that you don't lose these because these are loose and they will fall out. But now we are going to be taking the rest of the grill out, so I think there's like 3 more screws, and then we're going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Alright, so I got this mounting plate out, I got the grill out, and you can see where the screw is hiding behind the grill on each side here. Now the hood latch cable is attached to this one, so we're just gonna have to like kind of move this one out of the way. We can't completely remove it, but we're gonna take these bolts out now and then take the headlights out, and then hopefully they should just be plug and play. All right, so I got the old headlight out, as you can see. Now there's a sneaky little bolt in the back right here that you have to take out as well, but then it was just kind of having to finagle it to try to get it out. It does clip into the front bumper here, so you kind of have to push it back and then pull it out. But looking in here, very gross. But we're gonna be putting the new headlight in now and seeing if it just plugs right in. Alright, so I have it plugged in. Now we're gonna see if it works before we actually situate it into the car. Alright, so it is on. It does work so far. Now we're gonna see if the turn signal works. So let's just hit the turn signal. I don't want to drain the entire battery on the car. Alright, so turn signal is on. Hell yeah. So as you can see, we have the sequential turn signal. Now I'm just going to see if the brakes work real quick. Yeah, she's angry. Put the brakes on. It doesn't look like the high beams are on, so we will have to figure that out. Alright, so I just finished putting it all back together. I kind of just skipped forward ahead and did it all off camera because I was so excited to get these in. But they look absolutely freaking insane. I love these so much already. Let me close the hood. But they look so freaking good. I can't wait till I get the blacked out badgeless grill on here. And let me show you what these things look like on. I actually haven't tested this one yet, so I really hope that it works. But we're actually going to turn the car on this time. And we need to turn the lights on. Yeah, they look really freaking good. I'm gonna turn my hazards on so you can see the sequentials. Yeah, we definitely need to show you guys what these look like at night because these are gonna look insane. Now once Bella gets home, I'm also going to be showing you guys the startup animation on these because they go from like blue to white and it's really cool. So I want to show you that as well, but for right now, we're just going to wait for it to get dark out. Alright, so it is sometime later now and it's now darker, and I'm going to have Bella turn them on so you can see the startup animation. Alright, so that is the super cool startup animation that it does. Turn the hazards on. And then as you can see, it has the sequential turn signals, which is really freaking cool as well. And Bella's car is kind of in the way, so you can't really tell how bright they are. Turn the brights on. Do you know how to do that on my car? The brights are over here. So yeah, so I'm assuming that they're going to be very freaking bright, being that The light goes all the way down there. You can't see it on camera for some reason. But Bella's car is in the way right now and it's not even that dark out. But I'm sure you will see it in upcoming videos of how bright these are. But I'm so happy to finally have some LED headlights. As you guys know, I hate having dull ass halogen headlights. So having some cool sequential LED ones is really nice and they look insane. Now I did have to put some extra wires in it as well. It came with a separate wiring harness and I didn't put that in, so that's why the high beams weren't working. It's not going to focus now because I turned the exposure back to normal. But yeah, so I did have to put a different wiring harness in it as well. It is plug and play, and then it is also the other harness that has a fuse in it as well. But yeah, I think that is where I am going to be ending off today's video. Let me know what you think of the new headlights in the comments down below. And if you want to see more of the upcoming Passat videos, we have a couple more parts that we are going to be putting on this thing before we start working on the Jeep, which is still over there. And yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Peace.